Hi, I'm Andy Wright. I'm CMM programmer at Senior Aerospace Weston. We make a wide range of different aerostructure products, mainly for Airbus, a little bit for Boeing. We also make a lot of blades and aerofoils for Rolls-Royce. All the aerostructure parts are mainly wing structure, a little bit of fuselage also. We used to spend quite a lot of time manually inspecting certain parts. A lot of human skilled labour spent sat sort of plug gauging, manually measuring parts. As we moved forward, needing to get more efficient, we needed a solution which automated it and made it a lot quicker. In a typical batch of 20 parts, we used to have an inspector sat there manually inspecting. So we've taken all the manual inspection time out of it, and he just sort of reviews some reports, does his visual checks, and the parts are complete. This is a typical part that we're measuring on the Equator. The operator walks up to the machine, loads it on the fixture and presses go. A couple of minutes later, he gets his results. The operator is able to use the Equator to get 100% measurement feedback within a couple of minutes, which is helping him to track measurements on 25 to 30 features, keep them under control. As a result, we're reducing the amount of non-conformance that we're making, which is benefiting the business. So the process of buying the Equator was supported really well by Renishaw. We did some work with their applications engineers where they were happy to do some demonstration programs for us to help us better understand how capable the equipment was and give us some more confidence leading up to making the purchase.
Hi, my name's Ed Clark. I'm Applications Engineer at Renishaw and we're here at Senior Aerospace Westons. Westons have been a delight to work with. Andy especially has been very positive and very eager to learn from the knowledge that we're able to give them, and we look forward to supporting them more in the future. The
entire process has been really great, right through from buying the machine, the training, the support afterwards has been great, and we're already seeing the benefits that the Equator's providing, so we're really happy with it.